Welcome back to Mumford Restoration. Please go to our site and take a look at some of the things that we've worked on, because this is a great story here. Over the years, we've had wild things come into the shop, and you never know what is the sentimental connection. This looks to me like a 1968, 1965 sofa. It has been totally smashed, and so you see that we have received something that needs a major restoration. And we have 5 or 6 different fabrics that were placed on this sofa, and they brought it to us to do a total restoration. You can see that this is going to be a monumental cost, but when it's done, it's going to be an awesome and really usable couch. So all new cushions. Obviously, we got to rebuild the frame. We got to do all kinds of things to this sofa. So watch for the next stage. We hopefully will give you a couple of stages, and then you'll see the final result. A 60s sofa that's going to be pretty cool at the end. And thanks for watching.